Insane results from testing this indicator. No more hesitation. Take action and seize trading opportunities. Join us on the journey to financial freedom. First things first, fire up your TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab. We are on the lookout for two key indicators, ITG Scalper and Dynamic Trail. Here are the settings. ITG Scalper. This fusion indicator enhances the traditional MACD signals, offering more accurate and timely indications of trend direction and potential entry or exit points. Dynamic Trail. This indicator will help you following price movements in trending or ranging markets. Within its calculations, it uses ATR, EMA with a smoothing effect. To buy, keep an eye out for a green triangle and a green bullish candle breaking out of the dynamic trail. Wait for the candle to close above the trail, and for confirmation, ensure the trail is also green. Set your stop loss to the recent swing low and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Same strategy applies for a sell entry. Easy, right? Now, let's take a quick peek at the backtesting results. We tested this strategy on a 5-minute chart of the Australian dollar USD pair. Success is just a click away. Keep those wins coming by watching the next video for more profits. Hit subscribe now.